I be tipsy, honest. I just got myself back on it, tryna find my balance, honest. I've been dealing with some problems. I've been tipsy, sorry, honest. I just find myself with problems, tryna balance everything. This weight up on my shoulders, I'ma let this shit sing.
I'ma let it sing like the doves in the sky. Ay, I'ma let it rain like we're days in July. Ay, summer heat fly, ay, let the beat ride. Ay, careful outside, you don't know where the creeks lie. Ay, I sense the snakes, I can see through liars. Ay, what do you speak? Do you go inspire? Or do you derail, berate, and pre-hate? Leaving the mental state of these kids rave for cheesecake.
Don't put me in a box with nobody else, especially a small one where niggas don't know themselves. I know that it's a trap to be a rapper, just cap if you a hater, cause no one does it greater. The joker and the player, I blow smoke in the sky, I blow smoke in your eyes. Hopefully this will help you cope and keep some hope up inside. I know the world is crazy, I'm just hoping you know. Chasing rappers down the hole, I end up grabbing the chrome.
You know these niggas, they be capping, I'm just glad that you know. I'm a wavy ass nigga, though my water so cold. I keep these goggles on my face, but keep the profile low. I'm a good boy, but I never do what I'm told.
Do what I'm told, do what I'm told, do what I'm told, do what I'm told. Sometimes I be tipsy, honest. I just got myself back on it, tryna find my balance, honest. I've been dealing with some problems. I've been tipsy, sorry, honest. I just find myself with problems, tryna balance everything. This weight up on my shoulders, I'ma let this shit sing.
you.